if you want your clients to walk away where it almost looks like they have little to no product, this is going to be your go-to. What's going on, everyone? It's your boy Los Cut It from Chicago, and today we're going to talk about the Level 3 product review. And my go-to is going to be the Level 3 matte finish, which is one of my favorites. You guys seen me use this countless of times in all of my videos. Now, this matte finish is a texturizing formula. It also indicates that it's a number 2 out of 3 in hold, which is actually awesome. If I was somebody that was new to the industry or somebody that was new to just products, this is a great product for medium to fine hair. It's going to hold that hair perfectly, and because it has a number 2, kind of gives you the level of how much strength it's going to be. So if you have somebody with a lot more hair that's coarse or pretty much difficult to work with, you might want to go with something that's a bit stronger, or you can cocktail product. One of the things that I've noticed that clients do is that they tend to put product in their hair when they get straight out the shower, meaning their hair is still wet or damp. The key goal to pretty much get the look you're going for is to dry your hair first. Pretty much 80% of it to be dry. Once 80% of your hair is dry, then and only then can you apply the product and get the look that you want. So when you educate your client on how to properly put the product in there, from a dime size, rub it in their hand, applying it, you're gonna, one, get the full control that you're looking for, but two, hours in the day, now you're able to go maybe wet your hands a little bit and reactivate the product simply by just running your fingers or combing your hair over again throughout the day. So this is a product that's going to last you all day. All you really need, and a great way to actually do it, instead of just digging in through the middle, you just hit it right on the edge and you can just turn. So this is actually awesome, because now what it's going to do, it's going to give you the grip that you need to control the hair and to get it from the roots as you dig in with your fingers and you go out through the ends. So this is going to give you full control, and it's always best to cocktail this product, especially if you're creating texture, with the Level 3 powder texture and the Level 3 hairspray. Those three are going to make any look you want come to life. It almost looks like you're going to run out really soon, but I have used this countless of times. I've used it for about almost 3 months, and I'm still here. And even after applying it on my hands, like, as it dries, there's no stickiness going on, which is dope. So this is a product that's gonna last you all day. It's definitely my go-to. You guys seen it in all my videos. Make sure you guys cop yours today. Level 3 matte finish.